Song number 35, Winning the Prize. Here we have more crossing the bows between A string and D string, and we are playing the note F sharp, which is the high 2 on the D string. Let's play the F sharp by first playing the D string. First finger E, please. Second finger, the high 2 F sharp. Good. Back to E, raise my second. And then D. All right. So let's start winning the prize. After 4 counts, please. Violin is up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross to A. Get ready to the D string, F sharp. A string, D string, D. Let's do that again. Now when I say D, you're crossing your bow to your D string, but you are playing the note F sharp, the high 2, with your middle finger. I'm going to now say 2, so you know what finger to use. One more time from the beginning. Violin is up, thumb pointing upward. Make sure you have a space underneath the thumb and your bow is ready. Place the bow on the A string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A string. Second finger F sharp. Back to A. Second finger F sharp. A string. Second finger. A string. Second finger. And make sure you're saving your bow for those 2 beats on the half notes. Down bow and up bow.